Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Rebel with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajshekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of Market Smith India team. Before we go ahead into this podcast, the disclaimer is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Here is a Nifty daily chart taken from our website, Marketsmith India. As you can see here, Nifty's trend has been on the downside, and Nifty, after making a all-time high around 26,000 levels, it has been facing profit booking and followed by selling pressure as well. In the process, it breached its key moving averages, starting with the 50 DMA and 200 DMA. Previously, 200 DMA was reclaimed by the index, but that was not successful. Currently, it is trading nearly 5% below its 200 DMA, which is a very rare case in the case of Nifty. You will not see Nifty trading below 200 DMA for a period of more than 1 or 2 weeks, but that is being the case currently. So that shows how much weakness currently is present in the market. Not just with the benchmark index Nifty, there are broader market indices such as Nifty mid cap and small caps are also facing the heat, and most of the stocks in the Indian market are also trading below their key moving averages. This shows that there is the broad-based weakness in the market and which might persist going forward as well. To regain the momentum, Nifty has to reclaim its 50 and 200 DMS. Then only we'll see Nifty finding positive momentum. And there is a very major trigger event going forward as well. That is Union Budget for the financial year FY26 will be presented on February 1st. So that might be a major macroeconomic event. So that might give a trigger for the markets to uh, move forward higher. But until then, we might see Nifty trading in the very tight range going forward around 23,000 to 22,000 levels. And from the budget perspective, we have released a document yesterday itself, a document specifically talking about expectations from the budget, how the government has performed in the last 1 year, and what are the expectations from the upcoming budget as well. And coming back to the Nifty's and market status, we changed the market status to downtrend yesterday because Nifty breached its previous correction low, and it is almost back to the previous May month or June month levels Nifty. So all the gains which the index made in the last year have been pared, you can say, and currently it is trading below or at the previous 1 year levels. And going forward, Nifty has to find a bottom and has to close above that bottom for 3 consecutive sessions to change the market status to rally attempt. As we mentioned, the major economic event, that is budget presentation, will be the key trigger for the markets going forward, and that will dictate the market for a period of 1 month or so going forward. Coming to the key news section, companies are still reporting their December quarter numbers. Railtel Corporation has come up with the numbers for the December quarter. Revenue has increased 15% to 768 crores of rupees. The profit on the other side was up only 5% to 65 crores of rupees. Federal Bank has reported good set of numbers, has beaten the consensus estimates. Net interest income for the quarter has increased 15% to 2,400 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side was down 5% to 955 crores of rupees. On the asset quality front, the company has reported a good set of numbers as a gross NPS, that is gross non-performing assets, have fallen 14 basis points sequentially to 1.95%, and net NPA has fallen 8 basis points to 0.49%. Union Bank has also come up with the numbers for the December quarter, and net interest income, that is the difference between the interest earned by the bank and the interest the depositors are getting from the bank. That is the difference is called a net interest income has increased just marginally 0.8% year-on-year basis to 9,200 crores of rupees. Profit on the other side was increased 28% to 4,600 crores of rupees. Asset quality front, again, the bank has reported a good set of numbers. Asset quality has improved. Gross NPS have fallen 51 basis points sequentially to 3.85%. Net NPS have fallen 16 basis points to 0.82%. Coming to the institutional activity, yesterday foreign institutional investors have been continuing to exit the Indian market. They have sold more than 5,000 crores of Indian equities. Domestic institutional investors have given very good support for the markets. Otherwise, you would have seen lots of a fall in the markets. But they were able to buy more than 6,000 crores of Indian equities, but that was not enough for the markets to hold in the yesterday's. Coming to the global market update, US market closed in the negative territory yesterday. Asia markets, Shanghai and Kospi are having a trading holiday. Nikkei is trading with a decline of 0.6%. GIFT Nifty is indicating a muted opening for the Indian markets by around 23,000 level is the expected opening. And Nifty has to close above the previous low, that is yesterday's low, or to consider that as an day one of attempted rally. The Nifty makes a new low in the today's session. That will be again a weak sign of weakness in the market. As we are in a downtrend market, we are not talking about any stock of the day. And most of the stocks in the market are not looking good in the market. In the market, so it is not advised to take fresh entries in the current market. Whatever cash you have in the demat accounts, let's be in the cash component only, and you can increase the exposure towards the markets when the markets improve from here. When the market structure is or status is changed to confirm a trend or the rally attempt. Thank you for joining today's people. Have a good trading session and also have a view or a read through our budget report, and you can be and have comment on that budget report as well. And after budget presentation, again, we'll be coming out with a detailed note about how the budget is presented and what are the outcomes of the budget. Thank you everyone for joining Prepare.